Once again, you're welcome to this viewing point. I'm on my publishing desk again. This is Mr. Tambari. We're about to launch this audiobook file again on Google Play. This is the second audiobook I'm launching today. Now, there's a price I'm launching it at depending on what I'm doing. When you get the course, you know why. And this is going to be exposed to 46 countries globally. Now we go and hit on the publish button and let's see it together. Congratulations again, you have successfully added your book to Google Play and Google Books. So that's it.